Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll tell you the top 5 reasons why if you're studying abroad you should be considering Australia. So the very first reason is that Australia has the world's best universities. There are a total of 43 institutes in Australia, out of which 40 are public, 2 are international while 1 is private. All of these are very good. If you want to get into Australia, you can consider any of these universities since they are very good. The next reason is cultural diversity. Just like y'all, a lot of students enter this country for studying purposes. A lot of people from different countries come here, which adds on to the cultural diversity over here. Once you get into any institute in Australia, you can expect people from n number of countries there, which will help you grow as an individual. The next very important reason is that any major is welcomed. What I mean by that is that Australia can give you the knowledge required in any stream that you want, whether it is commerce, investment banking, science, art, or anything that you want, for example. Australia has colleges which has courses which can offer you great education in any of your sectors. The next very important reason and very exciting reason is that the access to the visa, that is a permanent visa, is very convenient over here. Once you get your education, you can work in Australia on a student visa and eventually find a PR over here. It's not that difficult if you follow the process. So again, if you want to settle down in Australia after education, please do consider this country. Another very important reason due to convenience purposes is that Australia is an English speaking country, and being an Indian, all of us give the IELTS exam and are very good at English. So if you want to settle down there, it will be very convenient for you. Getting a job there will also be very easy since all of the jobs there are English spoken. So being an English speaking person, Australia is your way to go. So guys, this was it for the video. These were the top 5 reasons why if you're going abroad you should be considering Australia. If you have any other doubts, let us know in the comment section given below. If you want to have a one-on-one session with any of our advisors here at Grad Dreams, feel free to contact us with the help of the description box given below. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up. Share this video with someone you think might find it helpful, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you find the information very helpful. Last but not the least guys, thank you so much for watching the video. We'll see you in the next one.